OpenAI just announced the long release of Chat GPT 4o, 16x token capacity. Artificial intelligence has recently caused a stir. Long output GPT-4 is a game-changing AI model that is 16 times more responsive than its predecessor. The incremental update is a seismic shift that could redefine the way we interact with AI, what it means for developers, and the future of AI. Let's explore this groundbreaking development together. GPT-4 long output was unveiled. This new model is a revolution in artificial intelligence. Communication in the GPT-4 long output core is built on the same foundation as the GPT-4o core model released in May, but there is one major difference that can generate up to 64,000 responses. Tokens have long been around the 4,000 main token limit, the difference between a short essay and a 200-page novel. But what exactly are tokens and why do they matter? Punctuation words and even spaces. The word hello is a single token, but very highly. This granular approach allows AI models to understand and generate language with incredible nuance. The result of this expanded token capacity is that developers will now be able to create programs that generate deep reports of complex code or pieces of creative writing in a single interaction. But the question remains as to why this AI move is being made and what it means has a future. A spokesperson for AI revealed that we have listened to our customers' feedback. The Long 4o release was not created in a vacuum, but is a direct response to user feedback, especially from their developer community. As they want a longer output context, we are always testing new ways to best meet our customers' needs. Is it actually useful to do such things that are technically possible? Market and adapt their technology to meet real-world needs, but there's more to the story than meets the eye. In the competitive artificial intelligence market, how this extended output capability translates into real-world applications really meets its needs developers and end users, or whether it opens up unforeseen challenges. The context and output of the exact balancing of the technical RPP is one of the most fascinating aspects of the long output of GPT-4, how it is. Both the original GPT-4o and this new variant maintain a maximum context window of 128,000 tokens and are able to increase output capacity without expanding the overall context window. So how about that? It's all about balance and exchange in the original GPT-4, where users can deposit up to 124,000 tokens and receive up to 4,000 tokens in return. With GPT-4, along with output users can now deposit up to 64,000 tokens and potentially receive up to 64,000 tokens. Tokens in exchange for this flexibility allow for a wide range of use cases requiring detailed analysis of a long document. You can enter more text and get a comprehensive document. An answer that works on a creative writing project. You can submit a short request and ask the AI to generate a long fragment, but this flexibility comes with the caveat that users and developers must consciously choose how to allocate their crypto budget, a delicate balance between input and output. In a surprise move, OpenAI has aggressively priced GPT-4o long exit at $6 per million incoming tokens and $18 per million outgoing tokens, requiring careful consideration of each use case. It is only slightly more expensive than the regular GPT-4o model. This pricing strategy sends a clear message that AI wants this technology to be accessible compared to other models in the GPT-4 family. Input token 60 cents per million output token. A relatively small increase in price is arguable for such a significant increase, indicating the priority of AI acceptance and application in the real world is short-term profit maximization. The pricing strategy could have far-reaching implications, deterring developers and businesses seeking to leverage advanced AI capabilities, raising questions about the sustainability of the approach, especially given rumors of OpenAI's financial challenges. Exclusive Club alpha testing and its implications. Access to GPT-4o long output is currently limited to a select group of trusted partners. AI will gather centralized feedback to identify potential problems and refine the model before wider release, but it raises the question of who these trusted partners are, who will discover the capabilities and limitations of the new model. This controlled release is a double-edged sword, ensuring that the technology is fully vetted before reaching a general audience, creating a gap between those who have early access and those who have waited. The results of this alpha testing phase will be very important. They will not only shape the future of GPT-4 output, but also potentially influence the overall direction of AI development, and we will see rapid expansion. Has access or will be opened, AI takes a more cautious approach to how GPT for long output can change industries. Potentially, the applications of long 4o GPT output in the field of content production are wide and varied. In-depth investigative reporting, while novelists may use it to plot or even contribute writing in the world of software development, is an equally important concept. The ability to generate and explain complex pieces of code in a single interaction can simplify the development process and may even pave the way for more accessible coding to non-experts. Let them describe desired performance and receiving executable code in return. But it's not just about creating new content. GPT-4o's long output can change the way we interact with existing information. Imagine being given a long legal document and asking it for comprehensive analysis or using it to summarize, explain complex scientific papers. But these possibilities also raise important questions about how to ensure the authenticity of long-form content produced by AI, the ethical implications of using AI for tasks that traditionally require human expertise, and the judgment of human agency challenges. What is? Setting up a long GPT-4o output also presents challenges. One of the main concerns is how to ensure that the output remains focused and relevant. In addition, the ability to produce long-form content increases copyright and authorship. Concerns about who owns the rights to novels or research papers produced by AI, how we attribute such work, and these challenges underscore the need for responsible development and use of AI technology as the long-term output of GPT-4o goes beyond the testing phase. Alpha is critical to addressing these concerns. Successful integration in various future fields of artificial intelligence communication launch GPT-4o long. The output is more than a product release, but a glimpse into the future of human interaction with AI as these models become more sophisticated and capable of longer, more complex exchanges. The line between artificial intelligence assistance and cooperation is likely to blur. We may be moving toward a future in which AI becomes a true intellectual partner, capable of engaging in broad, nuanced discussions about complex topics that can transform educational research and creative endeavors. For such a future, we as humans must evolve in the way we interact with AI. We must become more adept at guiding these interactions by asking the right questions and critically evaluating the answers we receive. Launching GPT-4o long output is not the end of the job. Rather, it is the beginning of a new journey, which opens a window to new opportunities, but also brings new responsibilities. As we enter this new era in AI communication, it is clear that the way we interact with technology, it's change, and if you've made it, we have to be ready to change with it. Please share your opinion with us in the comments. And if you enjoy this content, subscribe us. Thank you for watching our video.